Hi everyone, I'm going to take about 3 minutes here and give you the first real sneak peek into the software because unless you were at the AOLP conference in Innisbrook or a part of the beta version testing, you probably haven't seen it in action. So we're quickly just going to create a project, which we've already done. All we put in was project name, client name, and address. Then we're going to upload a couple of photographs, which we've already done. If you look inside the Illuminator here, notice I can work with any image that I want. I can actually take a photograph, I can upload a CAD drawing, I can take a screenshot of a Google Earth image, or you could even do your own hand drawing, upload that into the software and start dragging and dropping fixture symbols on top of that. So Google Earth is probably the most common, so we'll just go ahead and work with that file, but you can work with all of them or any of them. So what I'm going to do, I've decided that I want to add a spotlight here. Which spotlight is it? Well, I've got a number of different options. I can customize this however I want. The pricing, the names, the product, I can customize it however I want. So I want to add a Copper Moon spotlight here under that queen palm, under this queen palm, and we got a few other cabbage palms over here. Let's go ahead and add some spotlights to them too. I want to add some wash lights now to the house. I got a whole bunch of different wash light options. I got a whole bunch of different downlight, moonlight, well, paver lights. All of this stuff can be customized so you can add whatever fixtures you want, whatever pricing you want. So I want to put in a couple of cast wash lights. Let's do one on this side of the house. One here will flank it and then hit either side of the garage. Finally, I want to mix in some pathway lights. Let's do some Illumicare pathway lights right here, here, and here. Okay, now I need some transformer locations. Well, I got a whole bunch of transformers I can choose from. So why don't I pick 150 water? I know we got a power source here, and I know we've got a power source over here. And obviously you can't see me doing all this with my finger, but that's how I'm doing it. Okay, so my layout is set. Now, I want to add some wiring for my team so they know what we're doing. Well, notice I've got it all color-coded at the bottom. So let's just say I want to do an orange run, and I want that orange run to handle these lights. And then I want to do a red run and have the red run handle these lights. And then a green run from the other transformer that goes something like this. I can hub it off and go that way. I can do whatever I want with the wiring. So now I've got a whole scheme here that I can hand over to my project managers and they can run with it. Where does all that information go? It goes into the estimator. The fixtures I have, I've got 3 different types. I've got 2 different types of controllers. I can add timers, I can add automation, I can add connectors if I want, LEDs if I want. I can add labor costs, I can change labor costs. I can change all of this. All of this is built around your process, not around Lighting Boss's process. And there's a back end where you do all of this. So there is your sneak peek. You see your parts list, you see your proposal that can be sent to the client. Now you got a parts list you can send to your supplier, and you have these drawings and diagrams that can be sent to your team. So it's just a really efficient way to run your business and keep records. That's all I got. I'm out of time. Holler with questions, more to come.